Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Topps Gypsy Queen box break. I hope this is the right sheet. I'm pretty sure I checked a couple names and it was, so should be it. Here is the box as shown on the earlier video. There's a watermark, there's one, and there's a couple on the back. Now I dropped my, there it is, my box cutter on the last one. Okay, from the mini box, and I believe these are all regular back. Yeah. We've got CC Sabathia, Alex Rodriguez, Jesus Montero, Matt Holliday, Adam Jones, Roy Oswald, Giovanni Gallardo, Mike Stanton, Willie Mays, and Jacoby Ellsbury. There's no auto in there. JP Arancibia, Vance Worley, Gavin Moscoso, Guillermo. I keep calling him Gavin. I don't know why. Daniel Hudson, Jordan Zimmerman, Ryan Braun, Prince Fielder, regular back, Albert Bell, Dustin Pedroia, Mickey Mantle. Alex Avila, Nick Markakis, John Axford, Chris Young, Brian Wilson, D. Gordon, Lou Brock, straight cut back. Chipper Jones, Robinson Cano, Orlando Cepeda. Stack over here, which is Sergio Santos, Brandon Phillips, Michael Pineda, Lonnie Chisenhall, Dwayne Wise, Nelson Cruz, Jameel Weeks, regular back. Wade Boggs, not the SP, Frank Robinson, Ernie Banks. Josh Reddick, Brad Peacock, Dominic Brown. There's the first relic. Pablo Sandoval for the Giants. Albert Bell, Mike Moustakas, regular mini. Derek Jeter, Eric Hosmer, Alex Gonzalez, Adrian Gonzalez. I've been doing a lot tonight. I'm getting pretty tired. This is my fifth. I still have two more to do too. James McDonald, Phil Hughes, Matt Harrison, Yadier Molina, Eric Thames, Clayton Kershaw, John Lester Sepia, number 7 out of 99. Juan Marichal, Ken Griffey Jr., Dave Winfield. Mike Moustakas, Matt Joyce, R.A. Dickey, Ian Desmond, Mike Leake, Ty Cobb, Dustin Ackley, Gypsy Queen back. Starlin Castro, Tom Seaver, Joe DiMaggio. I'll pull the packs out of here so you can get an idea of what's left. There's the empty box. Zach Greinke, Urban Santana, Matt Latos, Adrian Chambers, David Price, Dustin Pedroia, Hanley Ramirez, regular back. Tim Lincecum, Nolan Ryan, Curtis Granderson. Michael Morse, Jordan Walden, Carlos Ruiz, Brandon Morrow, Giovanni Soto, Derek Jeter, Prince Fielder, straight cut back. Brooks Robinson, Willie Stargell, Dwight Gooden. Brian McCann, Freddie Freeman, Alex Gordon, Bobby Abreu, Josh Hamilton, Mickey Mantle, Miguel Cabrera, regular back, Sandy Koufax, Buster Posey, CC Sabathia. So no autos and only one relic so far. Jason Kipnis, BJ Upton, Eric Ibar, Michael Bourne, Adam Jones, Willie Mays, Jason Worth, regular mini, Yogi Berra, Darryl Strawberry, Josh Beckett. Scott Rowland, Trevor Cahill, Jameel Weeks, Angel Pagan, Casey Kochman, Danny Espinosa, auto, first auto there. Stan Musial, Gypsy Queen back, Mariano Rivera, Hanley Ramirez, Ian Kennedy. Alex Cobb, Colby Lewis, Justin Masterson, John Danks, Todd Helton, Ichiro, Jeff Neiman, regular mini, Clayton Kershaw, Josh Hamilton, Matt Kemp. Elvis Andrus, Pablo Sandoval, Salvador Perez, Ben Zobrist, Ryan Vogelsong, Curtis Granderson, Ramos Ramirez, regular mini, Eddie Matthews, Chase Utley, Warren Spahn. Andrew McCutchen, Johnny Cueto, Drew Stubbs, Seth Smith, Cameron Maben, Andrew McCutchen, Jameel Weeks, straight cut back, Kevin Youkilis, Roger Maris, Nelson Cruz. Brian Dempster, Heath Bell, Julie Chastain, Jimmy Rollins, Joe Mauer, blue. Those are numbered to 599. Josh Hamilton, Russell Martin, Stan Musial, Larry Doby, Duke Snyder. So I got a little itch in my eye. Drew Storen, Dustin Ackley, Neil Walker, Delman Young. I couldn't think if it was Delman or Dimitri. I'm out of it. Scott Baker, Evan Longoria, and Albert Bell Black Mini. Bob Feller, Babe Ruth, Jacoby Ellsbury. Kurt Suzuki, Mike Karp, Casey McGee, Chris Carpenter, Jeff Francoeur, Jose Bautista, Darryl Strawberry, regular mini, Ryan Sandberg, Rod Carew. I didn't even look at the last one. Miguel Cabrera. I thought I saw Cabrera, but then I wasn't sure if it was Miguel. James Shields, Madison Bumgarner, Justin Upton, Russell Martin, Frank Thomas, framed, Nigel Morgan, Ernie Banks, straight cutback, Bro Clemente, Reggie Jackson, Gary Carter. Alcides Escobar, Josh Johnson, Nigel Morgan, Mike Trout, Matt Cain, Justin Upton, Tom Seaver, Gypsy Queen back, Ryan Howard, Al Kaline, Mike Schmidt. Grady Sizemore, Cole Hamels, Devin Mesoraco, Ben Revere, Adam Wainwright, Jacoby Ellsbury, CC Sabathia, Black Mini, Carl Yastrzemski, John Schmaltz, Evan Longoria. This has got something in here. Dylan Betances, Derek Holland, Louis Aparicio, a game-used relic, David Freese, Mike Schmidt, Ichiro. Actually, I think that is a no number. No. I think it's just because I'm used to seeing two names. Never mind. Sorry. Willie McCovey, Jackie Robinson, Matt Holliday. Got the Ginter fever. Perhaps quite literally. So I don't feel that great. Paul Konerko, Shin-Soo Choo, Stephen Drew, Carl Crawford, Ben Revere, Curtis Granderson, a Zach Greinke Green Mini, which is actually a tougher pull than the numbered Sepia Minis. Paul Molitor, Albert Pujols, Joe Mauer. So 2 packs, and it should be an auto still. That's it in here. Jason Mott, David Wright, Lucas Duda, Chad Billingsley, Brandon Beachy, and Elvis Andrus auto for the Rangers. Gypsy Queen back, Daniel Hudson, Matt Moore, Mark Teixeira, John Lester. Last pack. Bud Norris, Jeremy Hellickson, Johnny Peralta, Nick Swisher, Jay Bruce, Tom Seaver, Neftali Feliz, regular mini, Carlos Gonzalez, Felix Hernandez, and Carlton Fisk. Gotta find a place to put all these cards. I have so many, and I usually just don't have this many. Go through the. There's the Sepia Mini, John Lester, numbered to 99. Here are the various other numbered stuff and hits. Elvis Andrus auto, the David Freese relic. I'm not sure that that's numbered. It's not. Frank Thomas framed and Joe Mauer frame. Those are numbered to 599. Nothing special about either one of them. No jersey number or anything. Danny Espinosa auto and the Pablo Sandoval jersey relic. This sold pretty well. I think every team sold, so we'll probably do another one of these for the weekend. As well as we're going to do the new Hot 2012 Allen and Ginter, so be sure to check that out. The Gypsy Queen will go up tomorrow, ending on Sunday. And thanks again for your purchases.